Good morning. I'm Emmanuel G. Divino and I'm here to talk about West Philippine Sea. China threats to crush anyone who will enter the territory and sovereignty. Kasunod sa pulong na yan, sinabi ng China sa Pilipinas na alisin ang barko sa Escoda Shoal. China didn't mention the name of the ship, but BRP Magbanua is there 5 months ago to guard the China to reclaim the land. In August, other parts of BRP Magbanua has crushed by their Coast Guard, and the other China vessels is surrounded in BRP Magbanua. In BCM, China asserted that they will take their sovereignty in the place, but Foreign Affairs Under Secretary Lazaro pushed that the Escoda Shoal is within the Exclusive Economic Zone or EEZ. In BCM also discussed that to lower the tension in the area. According to the National Maritime Council, hindi aalis ang Pilipinas sa Escoda Shoal dahil may sovereignty, sovereign rights, and jurisdiction na sumusunod sa United Nations Convention on the Law of the Sea and 2016 Arbitral Award. The presence and the activities of the China are illegal and violation to the law. The Philippine Navy are also prepared and ready to the steps of the China in West Philippine Sea. Sabi ng Chinese Embassy, minamanunan nila ang nangyayari sa lugar at handa silang magpatupad ng hakbang para pangalagaan ang kanilang territorial sovereignty at maritime rights. Ngunit ang US ay nagpahayag muli ng suporta sa Pilipinas. Nitong nakalipas na araw na daang-daang mga barko ang namataan sa West Philippine Sea. Marami sa Escoda Shoal, lampas 200 na barko sa Escoda Shoal na namonitor ng Philippine Navy noong 1 linggo. Tila pinakamataas sa taong ngayon. Para kay Maritime Law Expert J. Batong Bakal, hindi dapat bumigay ang Pilipinas. From College of Arts and Sciences, BAS 1C, Emmanuel G. Divino. Once again, thank you.